guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am in Mexico City, which is one of my favorite cities in the entire world, and I have partnered with Casai Apartments to show you around. This is the perfect place for digital nomads. If you're going to visit Mexico City, Casai have some of the best apartments with, of course, the fastest Wi-Fi. So without further ado, I'm going to give you a quick tour of my beautiful apartment here in Roma North. So I have to start this tour outside in this beautiful area. What I really like is that you can see that everything's been disinfected, the door has been sealed when they last left, and there is also a keypad down here, so no keys. So we've got a table here with some palomitas, popcorn, and some complimentary masks, of course the Wi-Fi code, and just some other kind of welcome instructions. Obsessed with these chairs already. We have living space. Now this is what sold the apartment for me. I loved this couch. I just thought it was super cute. And then we have a fully stocked kitchen over here. It has literally everything that you need. There is even water and beer in the fridge. Of course, all Mexican. There is everything that you're going to need to cook. You've got some glasses, cups, plates. Because of my dietary restrictions, I always need to be able to cook. So having all of this stuff to be able to cook with. There's even an oven, which is actually really unusual for apartments. A lot of apartments just have the hob. So we've got some more things in here. And of course, some pots and pans. So literally everything you're gonna need to get you going in the city. Oh, this one's empty. This is for your stuff. Also, we've got some tea, some proper coffee, and a cafetiere, and a kettle. Having a kettle is actually quite a luxury in Mexico. You don't find many of them anywhere. There is even a little Google thing. So this is a smart apartment. All of the lights, the locks, everything can be, I haven't explored far enough, but I think everything can be controlled by this little Google dot. There's even a blanket here on the couch. The details are definitely what really make this apartment stand out. It's just adorable. Okay, I'm gonna turn the light on, but it's gonna be noisy. So, jacuzzi bath. Oh my God. I don't think I've had an apartment with a bath in it in Latin America ever. I think this is like a first time. Nice shower. Hey. We've even got hand soap, moisturizer, toothbrush, everything that you need. Everything. Okay. I'm gonna go through to the bedroom. Nice full length mirror. Very important. Hey again. Got a desk here, little workstation with a comfy chair and some extra light. And then this amazing bed. I'm very much looking forward to getting into this bed tonight after my long bus journey here. And a big TV. And so much wardrobe space. I haven't even looked inside the wardrobes yet, but I'm guessing there's we've got a heater, we've got a hairdryer, hangers. Oh my God. There's even an iron and an ironing board. Towel, blanket. Super cute. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing this beautiful apartment with me today. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss another of my videos.